I got access to Manus AI, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly what it could do and why everybody is losing their shit over this product. So check this out. Maybe you saw a couple days ago, somebody posted this on X saying that Manus AI, this new AI agent, is able to control getting information from 50 iPhones. So this is pretty wild. They're doing it simultaneously. It's researching, and then it's able to summarize all of it. So they were generous enough to give me access, and I'm going to go through and show you the real power of Manus, and then we're actually going to give it some tasks and see how it performs. I want you to plan a trip to Portugal in May for 1 month. I want you to find me a long-term Airbnb between $1,500 and $3,000, 2-bedroom, near a very safe part of the city in Portugal, period. I also want you to give me, during that time, all the events that are happening in May within 50 miles of my location. Also, I want you to give me the top 10 restaurants, top 10 sites I have to visit during my stay, period. Also, I want you to find 20 AI-related influencers and content creators from Portugal who speak English on YouTube and give me their URLs. If you can find their email addresses and phone number, that's fantastic. So I'm planning my trip. Manus will send you notification when tasks are complete. Perfect. So now Manus is going to get to work. So first, let's see what the preliminary plan is for our project. So while that's going, let's go back and see what other crazy stuff Manus has done. Excuse me. So 10 examples. Cloning Apple website. It created a copy of Apple's website with the animations and everything, all using Manus AI. Pretty insane. Using it less than 24 hours, it's mind blown. So here's somebody that created a professional website instantly. Yeah, so I've definitely heard as far as web goes, it's able to do some really crazy stuff. And also, I've seen some really good things for gaming. We love to do games on the channel. And if you guys haven't checked out my videos, my name is Marcin AI. I am a no-code AI dev. I have an amazing community of creatives. And on my channel, we create all kinds of different products, from SaaS businesses to games to demos, testing out all the new tools. We have a no-code AI army with 2,578 members. So over 2,500 people in here creating, collaborating. I won't bore you too much with it, but all the links are below. And let's get back to checking out Manus. So let's see what else we got. So look, somebody created an object identifier. Pretty sick. Somebody else here did some staff scheduling. So it really is an alternative to the $200 OpenAI plan 01, where it takes control of your browser. So while that's going, I'm going to launch another browser, and I'm going to give it another different task. I'm not sure if it can do 2 tasks at once, but let's try it. So I want you to give me the code for Cursor to create an application that allows me to take a daily photo at the same time in the morning and add my weight, everything that I ate the day before, period. I want you to enable the camera, and I want to be able to take a picture of my body, period. And then I want to be able to save all the images, period. And then I want to be able to create a clip video of all the images to see the transformation of my weight loss journey. See what I'm doing? So I want to just create a fun little app that's going to allow us to create a video sequence of all of the fitness transformation. I'm entering a new transformation, and I figured, why not? I don't want to take a picture and then it's going to get lost in my phone. I want to have a dedicated application that I could actually create and be able to track all my images, and then it's going to put them together into one video. So that's the idea. So let's see how this is doing. So right now we're researching still the neighborhoods. And then here we have the second one, which is setting up the deployment for Cursor. So it looks like the Cursor deployment is going to be much easier, as I would imagine. So let's close all this here. So let's close our folder. We're going to open up Cursor. We're going to make a new folder on the desktop. We're going to call it fitness. Let's call it fitness video app or daily app. Then we're going to open project in Cursor. If you guys haven't used Cursor, it's another no-code AI tool. It's pretty cool. We're just going to open a project, and then we're going to go back and see what the prompt is. So it's updating the plan. It's going to give us all the files that it needs in order for us to do this. So you can see here that it's searching for the option in Porto, and then it's going to go through and do the rest of the items. So it's going to go one by one. This might actually take a while, but this is the idea, right? This is an actual autonomous agent, AI or AGI bot, whatever the hell you want to call it. There's a bunch of buzzwords now, but it's just going to go in and start doing this one by one and actually being able to get all the information. And if you click here into the browser, Use application on Manus computer. You're about to use Manus computer. When finished, please inform. So it's actually going in and doing all of the searching. This is sick. Wow. So this is pretty wild. Look at that. So it's searching for the apartments. So this is in preview mode, which I do like. So let's exit this takeover and let's see how our game is looking. So it's still going. It's looking weight tracker. It's creating all the different files that I need. And then we're going to plop this into cursor and it's going to work. Manus just finished our website. So check this out. So here we go. So weight loss journey tracker application. The application allows you to take a daily photo, record your weight, log everything you ate, save all images with timestamps, generate a time-lapse video. Camera access, weight, technical implementation. So Node.js, Express, and Modern Web, that's fine. Navigate to the directory, access application. And then here on the right, you can see everything that I wrote. And then we have our code base. So this is our README file, and we're going to go to download. So we're going to download the whole code. Let's go. And there's our README file. We're going to go back to cursor. Let's go to cursor. Let's drop this README file. As you can see, now it has all the info. And then we're going to go back. Going back to our first one. So it's completed the Airbnb. Now it's working on all of the events happening in Porto in May. So as you can see, it's going through every single step. And it's been about 15 minutes right now. So while this is actually creating a deployment, let's also do cursor just because it'll be more fun that way and we can see if there's a difference. So we click on view all and you can see everything is here. And then we're just going to hit batch download. So we're going to download all the code and then it's going to create that here. So here's our daily photos. There's our whole project. So now we're going to go back to the project we created and we're going to drag this into our desktop. Let's back to cursor. Let's actually close this project and then let's open the one that it gave us. So let's go desktop, daily photo and weight loss tracker. Here's our README and then say launch this app. Let's see what happens. It's going to take a look at everything inside the directory and see what we got. Our project is done. Now let's open up our local host. Oh, shoot. Allow while using the site. And there it is. So let's try this. This is actually quite fun. I'm not going to take my shirt off, but I think you get the point. So let's take a photo. Holy smoke, this is insane. Wait, 17. Oh, actually, I'm lying. 181. What I ate yesterday. 2 shakes plus 2 shakes, 180 grams of protein. I'm trying to slim down right now, guys. And I also ate a 10-ounce steak, 3 eggs, and some blueberries. And then we're going to save entry. What? This is crazy. All right, let's do a second one. So hold on, let's do a second one to see if we actually get the what I ate yesterday. So let's just do nothing. Save entry. So now we have 2 images, and now we generate the video. So if this actually works, this would be really, really crazy. Generate video, failed to fetch. Oh, it's because we only have 1 image and he can't save. Damn, this is crazy. So you guys just saw me create a freaking weight loss tracking application with Manus, in no joke, 5 clicks. So this is still going. I don't want to make this video about building out this full application, but you can see how excited I got just from how quickly these results came. Added back into this. I actually do want to make this into a real app because I do want to track my stuff, and I always hate taking photos because I forget. And now I'll have this app do the photo for me, and then it'll automatically send me a notification, time to take a picture, and then I'll just set up the camera in the same place every day and then just let it hit the photo. And it should work really, really well. So let's accept this. Let's take a look at how it's doing with our trip. 7 million signups on the wait list. So Manus, if you guys are watching this, I do appreciate you approving me and letting me have a play. But so far, I must say how quickly this created an actual application that allows me to take a photo, track my data, and then being able to actually use the camera. And what we got? Okay, so image 1. There we go. So weight, 181, nothing. Save entry. There's our first one, and then let's do a second one. Then let's do 180, and then eggs, save entry. Create a time lapse of video. Maybe I just do 3. Oh, generate video, here we go. Generating your video, please wait. This is sick, it's got the date range. Batch upload, okay, obviously not gonna work. But this is definitely pretty insane. Yeah, I think the export features definitely won't work. I think I need to set up a backend for this, which I'm not gonna do in this video because that's gonna be completely a different project. Then allow Manus to deploy the application. So we don't even need to do this. I think I'm just going to decline. I think you did a good job, Manus. And let's go back and make sure that we can get... So let's actually stop this. And let's go back and take a look at our Portugal trip. So it's still going. It's using the browser. Let's take a look at what the bottleneck is. Okay, it's still searching for everything. But as you guys can see, this is pretty insane. The fact that this was able to create a application that I could take a daily photo, put my stats in, and then be able to track and generate video. Oh, that's what it says. It says, actually, you know what? Let me just try one more thing, and then I'm going to be wrapping up this video. But so far, Manus, I'm pretty impressed. The fact that it was able to build that literally in 2 prompts. Okay, let's see if it actually does it. All right, guys, that will do it for this video. I had a lot of fun messing around with Manus AI. I think I'm going to wait for video 2. Next, we're moving on to the top 10 restaurants. This should be pretty easy to find. I bet you there's a lot of articles. So let's take a peek at the browser view, and let's see what it does. So this will actually be cool to watch because I actually haven't checked out how this works. So when people talk about Manus, what they're able to do is they just built a bunch of these really dope systems using all of these large language models, and then it's able to actually do all these things autonomously, which is do the browser. You can see that it's looking for where the buttons are. It's able to maneuver, and then it's able to do the research phase. So they probably built a good research part of the tool, and then a browsing part of the tool, and then a data analytics part of the tool, and so on. They say there's up to 30 of these different things that they've done, which is why it makes it so powerful, because other products just have one tool, like a browser tool. But Manus AI was able to build all of these different tools that all add together to make something really as close to AGI, as people are saying, as I've seen for sure. And so far, I'm pretty impressed, but I want to see the end result of this. So right now it's doing the searching. It's looking for some best fine dining in Porto, and we're going to have an amazing trip here soon. Oh, damn. Porto trip, May 2025 is finished using Manus AI. This comprehensive guide, I'm going to actually paste this guide for you guys so you guys can see this for yourself and see how insane this is. So let's see if it's accurate. So safe neighborhoods in Porto. Here we go. So Ribeira, Quedofeta, Foz de Duero, Vista, Balho. Okay, next. Term rentals. Riverside luxury apartments, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully renovated historical building, river views, $2,800 a month. Walking distance to restaurants and attractions. Wow. So what I want to do is I want to actually take a look at this place and let's see what we got. Okay. So here's the rental. So it's there. So that's $2,800. Then there's another one. Heritage Flats, $2,200. Then more in the different areas. Fantastic. Okay, then we got booking recommendations. For the basic selected rates, 2-3 months in advance. Okay, so it talks about all the other options. Music festivals. So now we're going to go major events in Porto within 50 miles. Location, description. Portugal's biggest music festivals is happening. $60. Next, we got various venues across Porto. So we got Traditional University Festival celebrating. Okay, perfect. We got Portuguese and Spanish language theater, performance from companies across Spain. Fantastic. Then we got some more cultural stuff, a bunch of wine related things. Okay, next, we got the top 10 restaurants. This is all within, oh man, this is insane. Do you realize how long this would take me to do? Wow. And then top 10 places to visit. Dom Luis Bridge. Let's take a look at that. That's in Porto. Yep. Let's go to images. Very nice. Actually, I've been here before, so I know that it's an amazing place. Then we got Porto Wine Cellars. Been there too. Livrera Lelo. I haven't been there. Or Lelo. Let's look at the images. Oh, damn. I definitely haven't been there. That's sick. Okay. So, I think we're done. And so on and on. And then the influencers. That's right. The most important. So, Marco Antonio Silva, Digital Advisor, Cloud Solutions. And it has their LinkedIn and their Twitter. Let's open up their Twitter. Look at this. So, Portugal, lives in Lisbon. Then we got somebody else here. Lives in Via de Conde. This is insane. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. It gives me a summary. It gives me all the transportation tips, day trips, and so on. I think I got to wrap the video up here, guys, but you just watched my trip to Portugal. So I'm going to include the link below, and you guys could watch this for yourself and see all of the details that it included in this. But I'm actually really, really impressed. So next video, before we wrap up, though, let's take a look at this. Deeply analyze Tesla stock. This will actually be for our investment because I'm heavy on Tesla. I've been a big fan of Tesla. Let's see what it says. So I liked a thorough analysis of Tesla stock, company overview, key metric, performance data, investment recommendations, financial data, market sentiment, technical analysis, compare assets, and then investment. Okay. So just skip to the results. So these are replays of other people that have actually done their projects. So it's a great way to see what this thing can do, and you don't have to use up your credits to test stuff. So here is the final analysis, and it actually created a website. So look at that. It's got the price, technical stock analysis, growth, hold, selective, value, avoid, income, avoid, speculative, buy, trade, and ESG. We got earnings, valuations, current prices, total revenue. So all of the quarterly reports, amazing. Technical analysis. It's got market position, market share, the strength, the weaknesses. Wow, this is incredible. So I'm going to do this for all my stocks. Absolutely, I'm going to do this for all my stocks. But there you have it, guys. Manus AI, I'm blown away. I'm going to continue making more videos, so definitely give a follow and check it out. And take a look at the report below. And definitely join our No-Code AI army. We have builders in here collaborating on so much fun stuff, and I hope to guys see you in the inside. It's free, by the way. See you in the next video. Peace.